Nissan is introducing a customized X-Trail e-4ORCE designed for mountain rescue operations on European ski slopes during winter. This specially modified vehicle showcases the capabilities of Nissan's advanced electrified twin-motor e-4ORCE all-wheel drive system. The modifications include replacing regular wheels with snow tracks to ensure confident traction on slippery terrains. The rear seats are removed to make space for a stretcher, facilitating the transport of injured skiers to medical facilities, along with a dedicated seat for a medical professional. Externally, the X-Trail Mountain Rescue features a bespoke roof rack equipped with an evacuation stretcher and snow shovels. Additional safety measures include a siren, flashing light bar, and powerful lights embedded on the roof, as well as lights on the hood. Wider fenders, a bumper enhancement for a winch, and a reinforced towing hook on both front and rear bumpers enhance the vehicle's functionality. Footboards on the sides ease access, considering the X-Trail's elevated height on its snow tracks. The development of the X-Trail Mountain Rescue serves as a demonstration of the e-4ORCE system, highlighting its unique ability to react to changing grip levels in 1/10,000th of a second, approximately 1,000 times faster than traditional all-wheel drive systems. This rapid response allows for individual power distribution to wheels based on available grip, ensuring seamless traction in various conditions, whether on wet urban roads, leafy suburban areas, muddy country roads, or snowy mountain terrains. Passengers experience the system's effectiveness without disruptions, providing peace of mind during diverse travels. The X-Trail Mountain Rescue aligns with the Ride Responsibly campaign, supporting responsible behavior on European ski slopes. In 5 ski resorts, digital signs will be placed to encourage snow riders to slow down at slope intersections, reducing collision risks. Similar to roadside speed signs, these digital signs monitor approaching riders' speed, displaying "Thank you" for considerate speeds and "Slow down" for excessive speeds. The X-Trail Mountain Rescue will be showcased in a glass box at the popular Italian ski resort of Cervinia. Coralie Musi, Vice President of Brand and Customer Experience for Nissan AMIEO, Africa, Middle East, India, Europe, and Oceania region, emphasizes the initiative's purpose, stating it is a bold and innovative way to showcase the benefits of Nissan's e-4ORCE system. Beyond technology demonstration, the campaign aims to promote responsible behavior among winter sports enthusiasts, reflecting Nissan's commitment to defy the ordinary not only in technology but also in societal impact. In addition to its role in the campaign, the X-Trail itself is a family-oriented 7-seater electrified crossover. Incorporating e-power technology and the twin-motor e-4ORCE all-wheel drive system, it provides an effortless electric vehicle (EV) drive experience. Available in 5 or 7-seater configurations, the X-Trail caters to family outings or trips with extended family and friends. As one of Nissan's globally successful vehicles, with sales in over 100 markets, the 4th-generation X-Trail continues a legacy of over 2 decades, drawing from a well-established DNA seen in its predecessors. The X-Trail exemplifies Nissan's dedication to enabling family adventures and defying the ordinary in the automotive industry.